Okay, in the sentence structure, I will write down here. 我是. Okay, so do you know 我是 what does this mean? Yeah. Okay, actually, okay, I'll explain this to you. Okay, from the beginning. Okay, 我是. So this structure means I am. Okay, sure. Taking notes is a very good habit. Yeah, you are a very good student. Okay. Okay, so this one 我是 means I am. Yeah, and the 我 means I or me. Yeah, and the 是, this one is a little bit different in English. 是 here can be am, is, are. Yeah, this one, yeah, are, am, is, are. Okay. And so here, do you know how to say you? Just now you said 你好 to me, right? 对 okay, 很好 你 okay? And if we want to say you are, we say 你是 to say 你是对 okay 好 and 我是 this sentence structure, so it's really useful because we can put a lot of informations here, like we say the name, the nationalities, the occupations, and so on. Yeah, okay. And just now we put the names here, right, at the very beginning. Okay, names. Okay, so now can you introduce me? Yeah, 你好 Okay, so I will say 你是 Fernando. Okay, am I right? Okay, 好 so do you know how to say her or he? Okay, so this one we say 他 他 means he or she. We say 他 Yes. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave the comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。